So in flamenco, the majority of the rhythm of the compás is in 12 count. There are some that are in 4 counts and some that are counted in 5s and sometimes in 6s. But what we're going to focus on is what's the majority in a 12 count. So when I say the compás, it means the rhythm in general, like staying in rhythm. We're going to dance to the rhythm, but also it means like one measure. So one compás of this means, you know, 1 count of 12, or 4 compasses would be 4 counts of 12. So, but the thing with flamenco, that the compás, it starts on 12 and ends on 10. What? So let me explain. So it's 12 and we start, then we go to 1. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when a dancer ends, she's going to end on 10. And then the compás starts up again on 12. So the accents are 12, 3, 6, 8, 10. Okay? And if you want to kind of have a different way to think about it, remember the song, I want to be in America. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's in a 12 count rhythm. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little fast, but let's slow it down. But you can kind of hear that right away. So again, we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Solo compás just means the drum machine. So there's no guitars, no singing, just like a metronome. All right, so here, let's start. 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now, how can you hear where that 12 is? Bum, bum, bum. Da, da, dun, da, da, dun. And 12. And 2, 3. Da, da, dun, da, da, dun. And 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now, let's make it a little bit more complicated by doing the palmas that are more syncopated. So we have ba, da, gan, da, da, gan, da, 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 dan, da, da, dan. So let's start it. 12 and 2, 3. Okay? Da, ga, dan, da, ga, dan. And 12 and 2, 3 and 5, 6. Try that again. 9, 10. And ba, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, ba. Da, ga, dun, da, ga, dun. And 12 and 2, 3 and 5, 6. All right, so now we're going to complete the compás. And ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, da, da. Da, ga, dun, da, ga, dun. And 12 and 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, da, 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 ga, dun, and ba, ba, bum, ba, da, ga, da, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. So now let's speed it up just a little bit. Okay, here we go. And ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, da, da. 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6. Da, ga, dun, and 12, and 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, da, da. Ta-ka, tan, ta-ka, tan. Ba, ba, bum, ba, ta-ka, ta. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. Now what we'll do is we'll put those two kinds of palmas together. We had the straight palma, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and then we had the syncopated one, ba, ta, can, ta, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, usually in flamenco, what happens is, you have the cuadro, that would be the group of musicians and dancers that are sitting down on the stage. They're playing palmas, and the way they do it is generally, straight palmas are for when the dancer is doing a lot of footwork. And then the syncopated one, ba, ba, dum, bum, is for everything else. When a guitar is playing, when the singer is dancing, or the singer is singing, that's when you have the syncopated. So what we'll do now, we still have solo compás, but now there'll be an added guitar. And so you'll still hear the metronome in the back really playing those strong beats, and then the guitar also playing the rhythm, playing the compás. And we will do 4 compasses of each. Of the straight, 4 compasses, and then 4 compasses of the syncopated. All right, here we go. Okay, almost there. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 8, 10. Next compás. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Straights. 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Last compás. 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. Now syncopated. Ba, ba, dum, ba, ba, da, da. Ta-ka, tan, ta-ka, tan. 12, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. And ba, ba, dum, ba, ba, da, da. Ta-ka, tan, ta-ka, tan. All right, again. 7, 8, 9, 10. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Ba, ba, dum, ba, ta, ka, ta, 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 ka, ta. Ba, ba, dum, ba, ta, ta, ka, ta, ta, ka, ta. And ba, ba, dum, ba, ba, da, dum, ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, da. And one more. Ba, dum, ba, ta, ka, ta. Actually, one more. Ba, ba, dum, ba. We're going to end. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole. Now what I want to do is actually apply this to a piece of music. So with a piece of music, we are changing the way we play our palmas depending on what's happening. So if you are a new beginner, what I want you to do is try to play palmas as much as you can following me, or if you can only stay straight, that's totally fine. But just try to start getting that rhythm of 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. And if you're more experienced, then really pay attention to, why am I going straight or why am I going to go syncopated depending on the music. And you really want to be able to lock in with the guitarist and lock in with the singer to stay in that compás. So this piece of music will have a little bit of everything. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ba, ta, ka, ta, ta, ka, tan, ta, ka, tan, and ba, ba, da, ta-ka-tan, and 12, 1, 2, 3. So do you hear that beat? Ta-ka-tan, bum, bum, and 12, 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, ta-da-da. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, ta. 7, 8, 9, 10, pa-pa-da-pa. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, pa-pa-da-pa. 7, 8, 9, 10, pa-pa-da-pa. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, ole, pa-pa-da-pa. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, and bam, ba-dum, ba. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, ba. 1, 2, 3, let's go straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, and ole. So I know a lot of times, like what dancers in the beginning, what they have challenges with is, I can't hear the compás. And that I say, give yourself a little sense of grace there, and just try to always think about ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, and 12. Da-da-da-da-da. Ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan, and 12. And just know that some pieces of music that you listen to might not have that driving beat behind that you can lock into. So you just have to select your piece of music a little bit more carefully to figure out, is this something that I can use to practice with? Because that's one useful tool as a dancer, is to actually listen to music or watch a piece of a video on YouTube and try to play Palmas along with it, but really focusing on where is that 12. Okay, so you can totally do it no matter what level you are, whether you're a new beginner, and then of course if you're advanced, then you really can look at all the nuances of different videos and see if you can play along with your palmas. All right, so thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.